How to build discipline, a complete 21-day plan to transform your life. Have you ever said to yourself, I want to be disciplined, but I just can't stay consistent? You are not alone. Most people think discipline is something you are born with, but the truth is discipline is built. And today I will share a simple 21-day plan that can help you create a real discipline in your life. Let's begin. First, understand this. Discipline is not about doing big things perfectly. It's about doing small things consistently. Week 1 start small. Days 1 to 7. The biggest mistake people make is trying to change everything at once. Don't do that. Pick just one small habit, maybe reading 10 minutes a day, maybe waking up earlier, maybe following a skincare or wellness routine, maybe exercising for 15 minutes. Keep it simple. The goal of week 1 is not mastery. It is showing up daily. Even if it feels too small, do it anyway. Because small actions repeated daily become powerful. Week 2. Stay consistent days 8 to 14. This is where discipline is tested. Excuses start showing up. I am tired today. I will do it tomorrow. I missed one day, so I failed. No. Follow one rule. No 0 days. Even if you do less, do something. Tiny action is better than no action. This is where repetition starts rewiring identity. You stop relying on motivation and begin building discipline because motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. Week 3 become the person days 15 to 21. Now something shifts. Your habit stops feeling forced. It starts becoming part of who you are. Instead of saying, I need to be disciplined, say, I am a disciplined person. That identity change is everywhere. Everything. Because behavior follows identity. When you believe you are disciplined, you act like it, and that changes your life. The 3 rules to remember. Rule 1, start small. Rule 2, stay consistent. Rule 3, no 0 days. Simple, powerful, life changing. Why 21 days matter? People often ask, can habits really begin changing in 21 days? Yes, because repetition creates momentum and momentum creates transformation. You may not become perfect in 21 days, but you can become different, and different is where success begins. Final message: discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect in action. It is keeping promises to yourself, and every time you show up, you become stronger. So here's my challenge for you. Choose one habit today. Commit to it for 21 days and watch what changes, because success does not come from one big breakthrough. It comes from a small disciplined steps repeated daily. If this message helped you, like, share and subscribe. And comment below. What habit will you build in the next 21 days? See you in the next video.